Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Quant video update for 19th of October. Now we talked about this one in detail yesterday, and the first things first, let's bring in the EMAs. It seems like you really are not interested to lose the 10 EMA, and that's actually pretty decent right now. So if you take that fib retracement, you're bouncing off the 0.236, you're bouncing off the 10 EMA, which is actually quite good to see. So could be chances of holding up the EMAs, but you do have this bearish engulfing candlestick. Now candlestick pattern is a little bit of a problem right here, but you do have three white soldiers as well, which is a continuation, so there are good chances. But I would be more confident if you try to come up to 228 and cross 228. That would be really a positive sign to continue even higher. If you take out this wick right here, that actually means the momentum is to continue even a little bit higher. And we're going to talk about the next technical target, and let's actually talk right here right now. So if that is going to be a top to the bottom of the the correction move right now, then if you try to come up across the $204, hold the $204, we could be looking for the next impulsive move to take you up to $269 if that's something that you're looking for. But I would suggest that you wait for a cross of 204 and 213, and that would be a little bit good, and you hold that resistance as support. You cross it, back test it a little bit, and there could be chances of making that next impulsive move to 269 and eventually just go up, correct a little bit, go up until you don't really reach 395, which is your technical target. Could be interested to go down. There are chances because of this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and to say that you're going to go down, one idea comes into mind, and that is if you come down to 169, I think a stop loss should be down here. Now let's say if I wanted to trade this one, that's going to be a stop of nearly, whoa, that's 11%. I'm not going to be risking 11%. I don't recommend that. But the thing is, yeah, it's looking pretty good, guys. The bounce here is actually quite amazing, okay, on the 4-hour time frame. So there are chances of actually moving higher. I do see that because, let's face it, look at the 4-hour time frame right off the EMA, and you're about to make a morning star right there. So looks pretty good, looks pretty amazing to me. For an entry, we could actually continue to move higher and higher for QNT. There are no signs of going down, to be honest with you, at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this QNT update. But do understand this. If it does come to 169, we're looking to drop down to that box potentially. So it's all about losing the 169 at this point of time. That's the latest crucial level to look at QNT. Otherwise, we're still pretty good decent with QNT right now. It looks pretty amazing to me. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.